So through this video we will be assembling a skills test I created myself. So we start off by labelling each piece with the corresponding lettering in the drawing, making sure face side and edge are clearly visible. So we're going to start off with the centerpiece with the twin mortise and tenon and connecting the left side first. Place into the vise for stability and ease the mortise down into place. Now, using the same method to the opposite side, applying gentle pressure. Just a quick use of the square to make sure sides are square and flush. Now to attach the bottom half housing joint, this should just slide down into place. Again using the square to make sure all sides are square and true. Now to place the spinal piece with the dovetail bottom and housing in the center. So place it down and allow each joint to its counterpart and shove it in equally. Now just for the handle and the half housing should just slide into place. One more check with the square in case it may have been shoved out of place. And that's the assembly for the spice rack.